guys, welcome to Redens TV. Kaya ngayon guys ay magdadrive tayo ng Isuzu 4H F1 10 feet na kulay yellow na double tire guys. Kaya nag-deliver kami ng soft drinks yan. Nakikita nyo dito sa likod. Soft drinks yan guys. Kaya magdadrive po tayo ng 10 feet. Bye! So yun guys, doon tayo magkakano, doon sa kamay kanto. Doon tayo mag-drive guys. Alright! Kabado ang person. Tingnan mo ang daan. So, quality.
Wala kaming pakialam!
Guys, kit nagsinukat kami ni Among Kon. Tasyak ka no ag-drive. Nakikita ak man no, kaya guys. Ti-drive ko gayang 10 feet na 4 wheels.
No, 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 no. Oh, he tried it.
Itan guys, naganda rin guys. Siyempre mapanin. Hindi, messenger, tingit mo. Wala na panin guys. So, dahan-dahan tayo lang. Baka nag-digital talo, narigatin guys. So, kita nyo latan guys. TV, nag-drive ko. Tipo reveals. Yeah, messenger.
You changed the game after last night. After last night, I think I'm in love with you.
I think I'm in love with you.
You know you really made me hate myself. I stopped before I break myself. Sure broke it off, thank myself. You didn't deserve me at all, at all, at all.
Nagsarding kami ta guys, dalumabas gabi nga lugan. So yan, pinagsindik ulit tayo lugan. Kita nyo, napahanan niya guys. Medyo alanganin nakpelang ta guys, ng kasta talaga, nagsursuro. Nadya lugan nga bagbaga na pinakunak guys sa ano. So nagpa-music tayo pa lang guys. Maborboring na kami. So, pa-music tayo pa naman ulit. Sige guys. Magpatingga tayo lahat guys. Bye-bye.